What's up? In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple chicken stew. It's so good and very delicious. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Special, where the recipes are always simple and easy. Yeah. So let's get started. I love making chicken in my house and I always love changing up on how I cook or I prepare my chicken. And in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a very simple chicken recipe. Here I have a whole chicken, 1.2 kg of chicken. So I'll move over to the stove top, and on medium high flame I'm going to add cooking oil to a very big pan, as you can see. Once I'm done adding oil in the pan, I'm going to wait for my oil to get super hot. Yeah, so make sure to spread the oil in the pan or your pot or sufuria. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to place my chicken in the pan. You see why I'm using a very large pan? The chicken has heated in the pan. Yeah, very nice. So I'm going to wait for my chicken to cook for at least 8 minutes on each side. You keep flipping and tossing until the chicken sears evenly. To my pan, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Like that. Salt, so this is how my chicken is looking after 8 minutes, and it smells so amazing. So I'm going to transfer my chicken to a big bowl, like this one. My last piece. Then I'm going to use the same oil rendered from the chicken plus the one I added for before. So I'm going to add onions, stir, and as you can see we have bits of chicken, the chicken oil. So this is total goodness, very yummy. I am going to cook my onions until soft, and once soft I'm going to add crushed garlic and ginger. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger, which I've made into a paste. So you cook the garlic and ginger until soft, and it's starting to smell amazing in the kitchen. Wow. Once fragrant, I'm going to add blended tomatoes. I'm using 2. Stir in. Add in a little bit of tomato paste. Stir. Then I'm going to let the tomatoes cook through. Then as my tomatoes cook, I'm going to add thyme. I'm using dried thyme, salt, black pepper, and 1 stock cube. Then I'll stir in. I'm using chicken stock cube. So I've added a little bit of salt because the stock cube usually has salt. And also we added salt when we were cooking the chicken for 8 minutes. So you be careful with the salt. As you can see, my tomatoes are almost ready. So I'm going to add carrots, potatoes, stir in the carrots and potatoes. You can see how it's looking lovely. I love making chicken because it's so delicious and it is so easy to prepare. Once everything is well coated with spices and tomatoes, I'm going to add back my chicken. Remember, the chicken is not yet cooked, so now it's going to get well done. You mix in with the potatoes and carrots and our delicious tomato sauce. And then I'm going to add around 2 cups of water. Stir and let this cook for about 10 minutes. Add a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce and then let the chicken cook. My chicken is ready, as you can see, so I'm going to add my peppers. I'm using assorted peppers. You can use what you have. If you have the green, you can use that. Then I'm going to mix in with my chicken and potatoes. And please don't overcook your potatoes. Huh? You don't want all mushy potatoes. That is not going to be good to look at. So you need to let your potatoes cook, but once you insert the fork into the potatoes and they are soft enough, it's good to go. My chicken is ready, as you can see, and it looks absolutely amazing, and I know it's going to be very tasty. So I hope you try out my recipe, and also you can check out some of my other chicken recipes in the description box down below. So catch you on my next one. Bye.